Hi, it's Neil Langham here, and today I'm going to talk about the 3 most common affiliate marketing mistakes that newbie affiliate marketers make when starting their business. The reason I think that people get into these pitfalls is because it's so easy to start the business. Usually it's free to get your affiliate marketing link. You find a product, and then as soon as you sign up to the affiliate marketing the affiliate program, you get your link and then you start promoting it. And because it's free and easy to set up, there are a number of pitfalls that people make. The first one I'm going to talk about is choosing the wrong affiliate program or the wrong product. Because there's many products out there, people look at what's in demand, don't do too much research on it, and then really dive in for the product they think is going to sell the most, rather than doing any proper research on it or trying to find out, is it a product that you really like to promote. So in people's rush to start, they feel that there's demand in a product, and without researching it, they start promoting it, and then if they don't really like the product, then they may get bored of the product, and then then it becomes a chore to try and promote. So the first mistake people make is choosing the wrong product. The second mistake I want to talk about is choosing too many products, or signing up for too many affiliate programs. The problem with this, the reason this happens again, is it's usually easy to get started with an affiliate program. And then when you start thinking of all the products you want to promote and start signing up to 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 products, and all of a sudden you've got all these product links that you need to promote, and you don't really know where to start. And therefore, the lack of focus results in failure. My suggestion is find a product that you resonate with, that you really enjoy, that you've researched well. And once you've got that product, to then start promoting it, make sure you start getting some sales. And once you've got the sales on autopilot, autopilot as much as you can, and you're driving traffic and you're getting sales on a regular basis, then you should then start looking into finding a second, usually related product to sell to your customers. The third mistake is not actually buying or trying the product that you're trying to promote. So if you get a product, there's a product that you like and you've never actually tried it, never used it, then your potential buyers may see through you, and they'll see that you haven't really tried the product, and therefore when you're trying to explain what the product is or writing reviews about the product, it doesn't really work. People will just see through you. So the third mistake that affiliate marketers make is not actually using or trying the product before they try and promote it. So that rounds up my 3 mistakes that newbie affiliate marketers make. I hope you got something positive from this video and use it in your own business. Tomorrow I'll send you a video on how to get started in 6 easy steps. If you want to find out more, or find out today how to get started and how to skyrocket your business, just click the link below. Otherwise, I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.